Hi, this is Paul with Halo Car Lifts. Let's address one of our most commonly asked questions. What if I receive my lift and there's damage? As you can see here, we do our very best to package the lifts with cardboard padding, strapping, and saran wrap. We hope that this is how your lift is delivered, but let's say there is some damage, whether it's superficial or it's a little bit more invasive. Keep in mind the nature of the product. It does have to be handled with the forklift during our loading at our terminal, transporting between terminals, and eventually to your home address or to the final destination. So some scratches can be expected. If there are small, high gloss black spray paint, normally will do the job. Now, if there is a little bit more damage outside of what is expected, please note that you have to take documentation. You have to take some photos and let the driver know or the terminal know that there is damage. This gives us a course of action for us to be able to give you a resolution. Most of the time, anything that is damaged during transport, we can assist you during our warranty process. But let's say it is a little bit more invasive and other parts need to be replaced. We can also send that out to you, but it'll give us a course of action to file a claim on your behalf. Again, some minor scratches are to be expected. So if there is any ripping in the saran wrap or the cardboard, just take photos, notate it, whether it's small or big, just have your documentation and then reach out to our customer service. That way we know and can tell you how we're going to move forward.